Hi, welcome to my channel Diced and Spiced. Today we are going to see a variety rice made of Kovakka. Kovakka is also called as Tindora or ivy gourd. Let's see how to make it. Before going into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so. I have here 250 grams of Kovakka, washed and cut into thin strips. Let's steam this for a minute before we make the variety rice. A minute will be sufficient, do not overcook it. Let's check on our steamed Kovakka. See, it's partially cooked, keep it aside. Let's first make a spice powder for this rice. Heat a teaspoon of oil. Add 1 tablespoon of Channa Dal, half a teaspoon of Urad Dal, 1.5 tablespoons of Dhaniya, a small amount of Fenugreek, less than a quarter spoon, half a teaspoon of Jeera, half a teaspoon of pepper, 3 to 4 dry red chilies, and a couple of Bedigai chilies. Let's roast all of these together in a low to medium flame. Keep stirring them continuously, they should not burn. All the ingredients are roasted well. Cool all the ingredients and grind it into a semi-coarse powder. Here is the ground powder. Keep it aside. In the same pan, add around 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. Splutter some mustard, some urad dal, dry red chilies broken into pieces, some curry leaves, and a generous amount of Asafoetida. Stir them and add the partially cooked Kovakka. Saute well. Add around half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, and around 4 to 5 teaspoons of the prepared spice powder. Mix it well. Let's add a little water. It should not feel soggy, it should feel like a paste. I have here some cooked rice. You can use regular raw rice, Jeera rice, basmati rice, anything of your choice. Add around 3 to 4 cups of the cooked rice. Switch off the flame and mix the rice with the prepared masala. Make sure there are no lumps of rice left. Let's add the sufficient amount of salt. Mix well again. Our spicy Kovakka rice is now ready. This is a very tasty lunchbox rice variety. It can be eaten as it is or with some chips or a plum. It's very easy to make and very flavorful. Do try it at home and enjoy. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and for more such content, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.